Hi everybody, it's Sarah Cray with Let's Make Art and welcome to day 2 of our 12 days of giveaway.
Oh.
For today, I'm really excited for the winner and what they're going to receive today. So what we have here is Kristy Rice's starter pack. So Kristy Rice is another watercolor artist. She has a lot of watercolor books. She has workbooks. She sells art supplies. She does classes. She's just a very positive and upbeat and encouraging teacher. And I love it when I can also highlight other watercolor teachers and what they're doing because we're all working towards the same goal here, which is just to share the love of creativity and to encourage others to paint. And I feel like Kristy Rice does that beautifully. So I'm so excited to share some of her supplies with you guys. So in this starter pack, you're going to get this really cute bag. It says, forget rules, forget right, remember joy.
Love that.
Love it. And then here are some brushes. And then on all of her brushes, she has these like cute little sayings on them. Watercolor curious, happy painting, forget the rules, remember joy, unshakable joy, like wonderful. I also ordered myself this same exact set because I wanted to try it. So I'm really excited to try this and add this to my supplies. So you get this, you get these brushes, and then you're also going to get this beautiful palette here. And I just love how she designs all of her products. Look how cute.
Yeah. Adorable.
Making art for joy's sake. I love it. I love it so much. And she has so many resources, such beautiful colors. So anyways, Kristy, you're doing an amazing job. Thank you for sharing your talents. And I'm really excited for somebody in our community to win these supplies and try them out. So Michael, if we could do a drum roll with the lucky winner.
You drum roll, ready, set, go. Winner is Shannon Reese.
Shannon, congratulations. I'm so excited to get this in the mail with you. I'm excited for both of us to try these supplies and play with them. There's nothing like having some fresh new things to play with. So anyways, I'm going to put all of Kristy Rice's information in the description here. So if you guys want to check out what she's doing, please do. Please show her some support. And thank you guys so much for being here. Again, winners are chosen for people who've purchased something from Let's Make Art over this last year. So it's not too late if you want to go in the running to win something. And we will see you guys for our next giveaway day. Thanks so much.